Good morning, everyone. Timothy Daniels here from Tim Daniels Law Services. Today I want to talk about the answer to the question, how much is my workers' comp case worth? I'm going to run over 5 things to help answer this question. First of all, it depends on your average weekly wage. How much are you earning from your job? You're going to get more workers' comp benefits if you are an injured airline pilot compared to if you're an injured minimum wage worker, right? It depends on your average weekly wage. Number 2, depends on how much lost time you have from work. A big important thing here is, does your employer offer you light duty? Sometimes employers do not really want to offer light duty, but then the insurance adjuster puts a lot of pressure on the employer to give you some work to help minimize the workers' comp claim for the workers' comp insurance company. If your employer does not offer you light duty, then you only get workers' comp benefits if your doctor says you have some restrictions that you can't do your normal job. It's very, very important to get written work restrictions from your doctor or provider every time you go see him or her. The next thing is the permanent impairment rating. Once you're all done your treatment, you're done your surgery, you're done your physical therapy, and you've plateaued, you're at medical stability, then you are ripe and ready for an impairment rating. I tell clients, generally, each % of impairment rating is worth roughly $1,000, again, depending on your average weekly wage. It's important when you're getting an impairment rating to go to a doctor who really knows the guides, who can try to say, all right, we can give you 2% here and 3% here, and try to get you a fair and accurate impairment rating for all of your impairments. Another thing about the amount of benefits and how much a case is worth is how many dependents you have. If you're married and you have 8 children, well, you get $20 a week extra for each of those dependents. So that could be significant if you have a big family. The 5th thing I want to talk about briefly here is there's a cap on the amount of lost wage benefits or disability benefits you can get, and there's also a floor. If you're only working 5 hours a week, then the floor is as if you were working 20 hours a week. So that's good. Now, on the other hand, if I'm an airline pilot and I'm making $1,500 a week, due to the cap, I do not get that much. I would only get lost wages at $954 a week, not $1,000. That's our current cap. All right, I hope that answers your questions on that. Feel free to give us a call. We love to advise injured workers early on in the process because some things, time is of the essence. Take care.